Alright, so a well-respected customer brought me his Samsung Galaxy Fold 4. He complained that the inner screen of the device was dead blank. It had no display on. The device doesn't open completely, and the frame, that is, the body of the device, was very rough. That means the frame has to be changed, and as well the screen flex also needs to be fixed. Yes, you can definitely change the body of your device to a different color or a cleaner color, but it is a very delicate fix as that could cost you your screen. But when done by a professional, it would only cost you your money. So the price for the fix was given, negotiated, and agreed upon. The device was received and then carefully and professionally fixed. To get the frame of your device changed or the inner screen of your device repaired, you can contact me using the number on your screen. Like this video, share, and follow for more.